No! Where is the coffee? A process improvement principle. Hello, I'm Felipe Martinez, and today I would like to show you the possible relationship between searching for the morning coffee and being left behind for holidays. First, I would like to ask you to make a list of the 10 more important elements that you have in your kitchen. What do you have there? Maybe you have a refrigerator, oven, cooker, dishwasher. Then maybe you have some spices for cooking, some sugar, some salt, cookware, pot, frying pan, kettle, cutlery, forks, knives, spoons, and of course you have there some coffee. Now think about the food you prepare in that space, that kitchen. Spaghetti and wine and salads. Or maybe you are more into the national meal, or just bread with cheese and some ham over it. Popcorn and beer with a good film, yummy. And now think about this, that the kitchen has all the elements I need to prepare the food I like? If yes, are they in good condition? Are they clean? Are they in their place? Did you went to the grocery? Good. You went to the grocery, that's good. But where did you store the stuff you bought? No! Where is the coffee? Hey man, good morning. Everybody helped to clean how the coffee was left over the table. It has been there since yesterday. Why is not in its place? What place? The coffee place. Do you have a plate for the coffee? Whatever. It took him twice the time to finish breakfast. More mistakes occur when doing things faster than usual. You forget to do important things. For example, you check yourself in front of the mirror in the elevator and you realize that your hair is not okay or you forgot to brush your teeth. There is no time for cheap solutions. You need to fulfill your goal on time. New unexpected obstacles arrive, and unfortunately, there is not success. You might think now that this catastrophic scenario will never happen to you. I wish not, but try to remember those non-catastrophic scenarios where you were wasting time searching for something. For example, at work, your colleague cannot find the document to finish a report, but you had handed it to her desk last week without telling it about it. Or a machine that is waiting for subparts from other manufacturing unit to start the job. How much money could we save if that document and that pieces arrive in time? How to prevent that these situations are not happening? Well, this is why we talk about lean management, a methodology that increases the value for the customer by reducing waste in a continuous improvement environment. In this case, we have been talking about the waste waiting times as a result of non-standardized processes. But then, how to proceed? Let's come back to the kitchen. Based on the food you prefer to prepare at your kitchen, make a list of the stuff you need to prepare it, including cookware, a pot, frying pan, kettle, cutlery, forks, knives, spoons, food, sugar, salt, and of course, coffee. Then give a place for each of them within the kitchen at smart distances of position. Heavy stuff, put it down. Light stuff has to be up. Things that you use often, put it close to you. And those things that are not often, just put it far. And put names or colors to identify the place of each of them. And of course, coffee. Last step is the complicated one. Be disciplined and keep the order you planned. And how about at work? Well, the same procedure. First, ask the people involved in the processes what is the main objective of the process, the goal, the purpose. To do that, you need to think about the customer of your process. In the kitchen example, the customer will be you. In the example of the documents at the office, the customer will be that colleague who is taking your documents. Have you ever asked when the document is required? Or where to place the document? Maybe you were rushing to deliver faster than usual? maybe you say loud and clear, hey, here's the document. But since your colleague was doing other stuff in that moment, that document was misplaced and lost in the daily routine. After being sure when and where the document is required, then you can plan your activities so the document will get to your colleague without delay, just in time, so she can perform her work with it. So do not forget, understand the customer, understand the process, list or plan what you need, place the stuff based on your plan, indicate the places, keep on working based on that plan, and keep improving the process all the time. In the next videos, we will explore other sources of waste and how lean management offers solutions to improve these processes. Bye-bye and see you in the next video. Не запомнете, že učíme Lean Six Sigma a kvalitu taky v češtině.